What's up? Good morning, y'all. How you guys doing? Ooh, look at the Russell right here. Got bought back up. Okay, I'm looking at two things at the same time. Good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna let this trade develop a bit. We have price indecision. I want to talk about my Intel play. Price indecision. Still got 9:35, 5 minutes in. We're gonna not do anything here. I want to take a look at my Intel play right here. This is my swing trade. My swing trade, it hit my price target in pre-market. And because I'm trading options, I can't close it till market open. So now I have to wait till price action hopefully pops. What's up, Mark? Good morning. So on the 4 hour right here on Thursday, I on Thursday, I saw a cup and handle, and I was waiting for a breakout of $22 to hit a swing trade of $1 to 23. It hit that in pre-market. Unfortunately, I can't fucking close it in pre-market. So, but it is trading around support. So it broke out, hit resistance, came back. Now it's supporting on previous resistance, which is 22 bucks, and now I have an alert set at 22.98 because that's around 22.90 because that's around where I'm gonna sell out. But gonna make another. I'm gonna make a few alerts. So I'm gonna make one for, let's do 22.65, and we're gonna do an alert just in case it starts failing at 21.60. So we're gonna be watching that hopefully till today's trading day. Hopefully today I can get out of the swing trade. So technically I won the swing trade. That's 3 for 3 on swing trades. So far, very good. I'm trying to transition little by little into swing trading as well, branching off from my day trades. And so far I'm 3 for 3, so that's beautiful. That's wonderful. So that's enough of that. It's holding on support right here. I'm a master of fucking support and resistance to the fucking cent. Price action respected this price area of 2203. So we're gonna let this thing do whatever it has to do. So we have YM right here trading. Let's bring up the Russell. So we have huge price indecisiveness right now. The one leading the charge is the Russell. I'm sorry, the Dow Jones. We have price action reacting extremely fast here. So obviously I'm not going to trade that. We're going to wait. I am a trend trader. So I'm going to wait for the trend to develop. I'm going to wait for, I love when price action does this enormous moves because it gives me time to start creating a thesis, to start game planning, and to wait patiently on what to do. So now if price is going to come down, probably the most likely candidate that I'm going to trade today is the Dow Jones right over here. So they're both doing the same thing, but the Dow Jones is reacting faster than the Russell. So obviously, if we're going to take a bearish position, I want price action to come back to the EMAs, but I also want the EMAs to start separating and go below VWAP and 200 so it can create a true trend and once again capture the EMA bounce that I always take. What's up, Mello? Thank you for tuning in, bro. So let's go right here on let's go on the 1 hour. First and foremost, let's go on the 1 hour and we're going to mark our zones. So we have the 1 hour 50 MA right here. We're going to mark that. We have a super trend on the 1 hour. I don't know if it'll get there, but we're going to mark that. Let's go on the 30. Right now on the 1 hour, the trend is to the upside, but I just need a visual cue of what I'm trading. So the 30-minute 50 EMA is right there, which is holding down price action a little bit. There's nothing. Super trend is red, so the micro trend right now is to the downside. We go on the 15-minute. What's up, B? Good morning, bro. We go on the 15-minute, and it looks like the 50 EMA on the 1 hour and the 200 EMA on the 15-minute align. So that's why I go to different time frames and highlight what I need to highlight. So we have that. And then we come back to the 5. Super trend is a level of resistance. So, but they're so close together. I don't really care for that. So we go back on the 5-minute, price indecision. So right now, price is just chopping away, not doing nothing. So we got the Dow Jones mapped out how I wanted. I like to, spread out my chart, go on the different time frames, start highlighting levels of take profit where I want to take. If it comes to the downside, a take profit area would be right here. If it just so happens to break this and I get into a trade right around here, the next take profit will be down here. So I like to mark my areas. What video game is this? This is the video game of making money. That's the video game. The video game of making money. So, let's see. Okay, so let's go to the Russell 2000, and we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna go on the 1 hour. On the Russell 2000, we are at a level of support. So that's why price action right here is acting weird around this area. We do have that 50 EMA here, holding it up. Super trend is red. Let's go to the 30-minute. EMA braid, 200 EMA is right here. We're going to plot that. Let's go to the 15-minute. Super trend's right there. It's holding that up. Where's the 200 EMA? The 200 EMA is right here. 200 EMA is right there. So it's being held on that. But we're going to mark super trend right there. We come back to the 5-minute. Price is still coming down to the downside. It's being held on that super trend level. So we got our levels marked up here on the 5-minute. The thesis for me, well, once again, my thesis doesn't fucking matter. But the thesis for me is to go short today. What's up, Chewy? Good morning. Keep it up, G. Appreciate it, Mello. That's my best friend, guys. So let's come back here to well, the Russell's right here. Let's go to the YM. Okay. So right now we have price indecision. So there's nothing to do. We do have super trend forming right here, red. There's nothing to do. Bias is still to the short side. So just in case this happens to flip over long, I should prepare myself just in case we flip long, which I doubt it. I should prepare myself. I should prepare myself to go long if it just so happens to do it. I can already see right off the bat on the Dow Jones, probably right here would be an area if it just so happens to go long. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see which one trades first. By the way, wait, hold on. What time is it? 9:45? Is there data? It looks like we just had a data candle, economic calendar today. Um, so let's come right here. Monday, September 23rd, 9:45. Yes, PMI manufacturing. Then we have speaker at 10:15. Okay. So that's why we had that reaction. Okay, now we got news data out the way. We have one thing. Always check the calendar for news. Always check the calendar for news. So regardless, there was nothing to trade because price action was acting wishy-washy. It hasn't picked a direction yet. But always look to see what's there to do on the calendar. So we have the Russell reacting faster. That's fine. And it's breaking past this area of 15-minute super trend. So we're going to keep watching it. Once again, this is going to be a text. This looks identical. I can already see right off the bat my past plays. I can replay it in my head. You know, every time a ginormous candle forms, that's the trend for the day coming down. Well, the immediate trend. So now all I have to wait is for the EMAs to come back to the price action and take the bounce off of that and hit the second leg down. And all we have to do is just have confluences on two charts, which is the 5-minute and the 2-minute. If the 5 minutes very bearish and the 2 minutes very bearish, we're gonna take that fucking trade. And that's been successful. And that's why my winning streak has been so keen. Winning every day of the week last week because of that same setup. And this same setup might be presenting itself on the Russell 2000 right here with that ginormous candle and just waiting for price action to come back to the EMAs and bounce right back off. That's all we're doing. Yes. Yes to what, Chui? Let me get my screen recorder up and ready. Man, that Russell's overreacting. Let's take that out. So get my chart ready. Okay. All right, so now this is the waiting game. This is the waiting game. So at the time the Dow Jones was reacting faster than the Russell, looks like the Russell's reacting faster than the Dow Jones now. Looks like my play that I would probably have to take would be on the Russell. So let me prepare more on the Russell. So it's come back to the 15-minute and we just broke past super trend right here. And then we have an area of support right here. We do have pre-market low right here. And we do have that 200 EMA right over here, which would be on the 30-minute, if I'm correct. Yes. So a potential trade setup that I would take, price coming back to the EMAs and possibly target pre-market low. Possibly. Possibly. It's not, nothing is ever certain and nothing will ever be certain in trading. I'm just trying to capture a small move, small scalp, and be out. My philosophy is the less trades you take, the more that win rate percentage will be up. Let me take a look at Intel. Intel's trading around in range, so how much percentages am I up on Intel? Am I still holding INTC? Yes, I am. I'm up 17% on Intel, which is beautiful. I'm up 17%. I could just sell out and be up 17% and be fucking okay with it. Or I could hold a little bit more. I think we're still good though. Let's go on the 1 hour. on the 1 hour, we're still trading. We're a little bit oversold, but we still got some strength. It's holding on that 13 EMA on the 1 hour. So I think I'm gonna hold it, dude. I think I'm gonna hold it. I'll see what's up. Let's see if it even goes to like 22.66. Maybe I could. Maybe I'll get out there. Who knows? But I'm still gonna hold it. So okay, we have the Russell coming on down. All right, so this is gonna be the exact same play that happened Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday. I believe so. Or maybe it was just Friday. I know for sure Friday and Thursday. Big candle down, price action back, retest that, and take the move down. If it comes back. You're up 6%. Yeah, I think I got in before you. That's probably why. I mean, if you want to take it, you can go. You can play it safe and take it, dude. I mean, we did break past the 4-hour 200, I believe so. I'll take a look at it now. So YM's not doing shit. I'm not gonna look at that. We're gonna stay at the Russell. Russell's the play that I'm gonna take. So we are above the 200 on the 4-hour. Oh no, we're not. But on Webull we are. So you know that is gonna act like an area of resistance. We come on the day chart, the 50 EMA is right there. So we're still bullish, dude. We have a gap up. We still have, the MACD in our favor and RSI above 50. I think we can go. I think we can go, bro. I think we can go. Yeah, my hard stop is right here at 2161. I think we got it, E. I think we got it. So let's go ahead and focus on the Russell. We'll wait for this shit to happen. So we got price popping back up. Let's take a look at the 2-minute and see the EMA is developing. So we have, it's red, red. There is a green super trend here, which sucks ass. I would much rather would want it to be red because it is going to serve as an area of support. Price came down here, support, 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 got supported on super trend. Let's come back to the 5-minute. 5-minute very bearish. Okay, not too bad. Let's stay on the 2-minute and keep watching price action develop. So it got rejected off the 9 EMA. Let's take a look at the 5-minute and see what it's doing. It still hasn't reached its EMAs on the 5-minute. I kind of wanted to reach the at least reach the 9 EMA on the 5-minute. I kind of at least want that to happen. We have RSI, it's the moving average, not the actual RSI, the moving average going below 50, slowly but surely. So I want price to at least touch the 9 EMA and VWAP on the 5-minute and reconfirm that strength on the 5 and come down. That's exactly why I didn't want to take it here on the 2-minute, just because we have a little tap here. No, I wanted to reach the 5-minute EMAs. I think that's the key of taking this EMA bounce and entering it on the 2-minute. We have price supported on that super trend level, and now it's touching, the 20 whole moving average VWAP. We come back to the 5-minute, it's approaching that. So let's put the 2-minute here. We're still coming down. M2. Hey, big head. M2K doesn't want to break that 2-minute super trend. It does not. It got hold on it. So I might use it as a take profit. If it happens to bounce, off the EMAs, I'm probably going to use it as a take profit. We'll see what's up though. So let's go to the 5 minute. Still very bearish. Let's come to the 2 minute. Okay. Let's see if we got rejected. All right, so we're getting close to a rejection right here. Price consolidating around the 9 EMA. So indicators are still down. Indicators are still down. Okay, it's getting some well, it's really jumping off that super trend level. If it does bounce off of the EMAs, I am gonna use the 2 minute super trend as a take profit. That's that's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be my target right there. So as soon as I see like the next candle like be red and I really see it coming down off that 9 EMA, that's when I'm gonna get into play. Target super trend right here on the 2 minute, take the quick scalp and be out. So I want to see something here. Maybe look at my fib levels. Okay. We are in that golden zone on Fibonacci retracement, so this is looking like it might be a good short, but it might just disrespect these fib levels. We'll see. I am in no rush at all. I really want this thing to develop and reconfirm its strength down. So this is still red. Right here is turning a little bit. RSI is coming up a little bit. It's a little bit worrying. We come on the 5 minute. Still very strong to the downside. I think we can do it though. I think we can do it. Let me take a quick peek at the 15 minute. It's about to flip bearish. It's coming down. Okay. So the sentiment on the 5 and the 15 still bearish. On the 2 minute right now, it's a little bit bullish. So it's conflicting, so I'm not going to take it. Also, we have price crossing the whole moving average, which is not good because once it crosses it, it could mean that it's coming back up to the upside. So I don't want to take that. I need to reject a nice rejection. So we're still going to wait. We got a fat wick right there of selling pressure. I'll see what's up. I don't know. I don't think this ooh, we hit VWAP. Might I might speak too soon. Go to the 5 minute, just hit the 9 and VWAP. Okay, we got that hard rejection down. So I needed to pass that 9 EMA. I don't like that. This needs to turn red. It can't be conflicting. It needs to turn red. It just turned green. It needs to come back red. I can't take that short until that turns green. I mean, until that green turns to red. But in this case, purple. I need that green to come back to purple. Still watching it. So yeah, this is coming up, reversing up. Okay, let's take a look at YM. Not doing shit. We're gonna stick to the Russell. Okay. So if we're going long, let's go on the 5 minute. Okay. We have a high right here and we have super trend right there. So this will be a take profit area right there. So we have the 5 popping back up, RSI coming on up. Okay, so a classic case of stock market saying, fuck my thesis. I thought we were going short. Looks like we're not going short no more because we just crossed the whole moving average and it's pivoting up. We just crossed VWAP and the 200. I don't think this shit's gonna come down anymore. So like I said, stock market does not care about what the fuck you think that price action is gonna do. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. This shit is not coming down. We bounced off of super trends, which is why I use super trend as a take profit, or you wait for it to break. It just crossed that. Not going short. We're going long now. Potential target can be pre-market high, the high of today's trading day. Okay. So while we're waiting for price action to develop and do its thing, it looks like I'm going to need to do some charting. I need to do some charting on the 15 minute and find potential areas where we might get rejected, which is already right here. So we're going to mark right there. Price action, tap, 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 rejected. Come on here, hard rejection down. So obviously this area right here is a level of resistance. So, okay, that was quick. So let's turn back this on. One thing, do we have any pivot levels? Yeah, right there. Yeah, we do. Okay. Come back to the 2 minute. It's going to be another long day, is it, huh? Remember, you can just type the symbol of the frame. Oh yeah, that's true. I need to add the watch list. Uh, watch list. Yep. Okay. Thank you, E. Okay. So we're just chopping around, not doing shit. It's gonna be another day like Friday where I waited a long ass time for the play that I wanted, or maybe not. This could be a false pop and reject back. Who knows? Probably not because we have MACD flipping to green and it's coming up. And we have this MACD, the bigger one, still red, but it's thinning. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. In order for me to go short, I need the MACD to flip the purple, which is red. I needed to cross the whole moving average, and I needed to cross the 9 EMA. Oh man, my shit just died. Great. Okay. So we're having some price reaction to the downside. They're just shopping around. Okay, we got price dying a bit. I still don't want to take it yet, though. Okay, so we have price rejecting off the 200 and it's coming back down. Let me go to the 15-minute right here. Super trend did not. Oh, it did turn red on the 15-minute. Okay, so let's come back to the 2-minute. Hard rejection down off of that. It's chopping. I need this to switch to red, or else I'm not gonna take it. On the 5-minute, it's still very red. 2-minute, I needed to flip again. So I need to make an executive decision. Do I want to take the short trade? Everything is red except for this. I'm good. I'm gonna stick to my guns. I'm gonna stick to my guns. I'm not gonna trade this. I need this to flip to red. Once it does, I will get in this trade. As long as it doesn't, then I won't get in the trade. But then again, if price comes here, fuck, we have 2-minute super trend right there. That's a tight area. Not going to be much room to super trend. It's not. It's not. I mean, it's not going to be too much room, to be honest with you. I mean, sure, I can take it and target super trend, but that'll be such a small scalp. I mean, money's money, right? But either way, we're just gonna get price chopping around if this one keeps being green. You see how it got rejected and it came down and now it's faking to come back up? Why? It's because this is still being green. If that's still being green and this is still being red, 9 times out of 10, that calls for chop because that's price indecisiveness. You have two conflicting time charts doing the opposite things. 2-minute is going up while 5-minute is going down. That's going to give you an indication of chop. And I've been in this game long enough to identify chop. And this is chop right here. This is definitely chop. So let's go to YM. That's coming green. That's coming up. Huh. I have such a habit of typing it in. I know that the Dow Jones is developing. Ooh, look at that. Look at Intel. We popped off again. 2265. See if it can hit my price area. And we got choppy price action, bro. On the Dow Jones, it looks a little bit better. Price is popping up. I'm not even gonna lie to you, the Dow Jones looks a little bit better. Still coming down right here on the 5-minute. But on the 2-minute, it looks smoother, like coming on up. Okay. Let's take a look at the 2-minute here. So let's have both of these up. Who are we gonna play first? Is it gonna be the Russell? Is it gonna be the Russell? Huh. Damn, Intel. Why are you being... Intel's being gay, bro. So it Dodge Jones and M2K. Okay. Okay, this is choppiness, and this on the Dow Jones, it's picking up momentum. Let's take a look at the 5-minute crossing hole. Still red, but it's coming up. Pop above the 250 MA. We're pivoting up. We're really green here. On the Dow Jones, this could be a play to super trend. Let's come on the 5 minutes. Huh. Let me take this out. So this is the 2-minute here. Still green, and that's flipping green. We come to the 5-minute. Still red. Man, both of them look fucking ugly. I'm not even gonna lie to you, dude. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And this on the 2-minute looks very strong. Looks very strong. Come back to the 5-minute. Let's come to the Dow Jones right here. Price popping up. RSI above its moving average. This is really red. This is still red. Let's keep watching it. We're gonna keep watching it. This is the tricky part about trading, because the Dow Jones looks really good on the 2-minute right here. Everything is going green. But on the 5-minute, it looks a little weak. And that's red still. I could get rejected off. Let's watch it on the 5-minute. Maybe if this one turns green, maybe. Let's take a look at the Russell. Okay. Is price finally rejecting? Still red. It's coming down. This is still green, but it's coming down. It needs to break this low. RSI below its moving average. This is red. Okay, this one's prime and might be ready. Let's see what this next candle does. Hopefully this can cross right here. Then I might take it. We have super trend right there though. Let's see what we got. So we have a hard rejection down. I'm gonna wait for this next candle to see what it does. I'm gonna take that. And hopefully I don't get chopped up, chop suey up. Let me see if I can scalp it as super trend at least. Let's come a little bit down. We're gonna have our stop loss at the 20 EMA. Oh, let's see if I don't get chopped up. So that's still green. We do have an EMA bounce on the 5-minute. This is still very red. So on the bigger trend, it's to the downside. On the smaller one, it's chomping around. I have a tight stop at 20 EMA. I could suspect to be fucked up like right now, but we'll see. I do have a tight stop. That is probably gonna chop me out. So probably lesson learned. Every loss is gonna be a lesson. Wait for the EMA to turn back red because we're chop suing right now, and it only filled one order. Let's let that fill up. Okay. So lesson learned. Let's go to the Dow Jones. We're still coming up. Let's come on the 5-minute. It's developing on the 5-minute. Okay. I'm filled on the Russell. Let's go back to the Dow Jones. And here might go long maybe. Let's go to the 2-minute. Price is still holding firm. We're coming on up. I really think that this one should have been the trade to target super trend, but we'll see. Right here, we're very bullish. We're very bullish. Yeah, my stop loss got filled. So let's come to the 5. All right, I'm gonna take another shot. Let me see if I can target. I need to make up some losses though, so see if I can target the high. And I'm gonna move my stop loss up right there. So let's see what we got. We're gonna try to target this high right here. Reason being, I usually would take it at the super trend right here, but I need to make up for some losses. So So we're reacting. We're getting reaction on super trend. "30-minute super trends." Let me see. Oof, right there. Yep. I need to make up some losses though. We have 5-minute term bullish. Let's see if we can break that. Try to target that daily high up there. We're gonna move up our stop a bit up. As I said, you know, I could have took it right here at the top of super trend and be done with that scalp. But unfortunately, I got some losses to make up for. Hold on, give me a second. All right, I'm back. Don't need to compound the L's though. No, I'm not. All right, this is only my second trade, so it's all good, bro. It's all good. So we still have price action coming up on the 5-minute. We do have an EMA cross RSI up, and we have the bigger momentum shifting RSI to the upside. So I believe in this play. It has enough momentum to break that super trend. We'll see what's up. Okay, we got some momentum to the upside. We're breaking that super trend level. Of course, we have a reaction, and we're breaking 5-minute super trend. We're going to move up our stop loss, mitigate some risk. We're going to move it to VWAP right there. Let's see what we got. Dow Jones can pop. Dow Jones can pop. So we have a reaction off of that super trend level. Let's put my risk a little bit more up at the 200 right there. Obviously, we have a reaction at super trend. Let's see if we can break that super trend level. Probably the smartest thing to do was to take it there to recoup some losses back. But because I'm a degenerate, I want to make some money. I want to make some money. So let's come to the 5-minute. Selling pressure on that wick right there. Still got momentum to the upside. We shall see what happens. This could be just a little take profit on that level and recontinue its strength. Let's move up our stop a little bit more. We have our stop loss at the 20 EMA. Hard rejection down. Woo! Hard rejection down. This could be a very good life lesson. Take your profit at Super Trend. Pretty sure I made a video a couple weeks back of take your fucking profit at the Super Trend level. But because I want to end up the day green, I'm like, let me target the fucking high of the day. uh, let's see what happens though. Scary money don't make no money, baby. Okay. Large pump down, buying pressure wick there. Let's move up our stop loss a little bit more. Keep cutting some risk closer, tighter to the 20 MA. God damn, look at that rejection. Let's see if that 9 EMA holds. Let's see if that 9 EMA holds. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Take the fucking money. Yep. Take the money. Oh, look at that. Intel crossing 2265. Let me collect my profit on that swing trade. I think I'm going to take that. So 30% on Intel. Not bad. I'm taking that. Take the money. So I'm up 30% on Intel. So let's come back to Intel right here. It popped to my price alert right here, 2265. Up 30%. I'm gonna take that shit, bro. So YM, small doji candle. Move our risk up just a little bit. I'm a cheap bastard. I love cutting risk. Let's see if that 9 EMA will hold it. On the 5 minute, we are green. MACD green, MACD green. Now let's see if I have a large enough stop. Because on the 2 minute, it looks like it's big enough, but on the 5 minute, it doesn't look that big. But I'm executing my trades on the 2 minute, so I have to have my stop losses around what the 2 minutes saying. I just got an alert saying it crossed 2260. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm fucking taking that shit, bro. So we have price hitting that 9 EMA. We're gonna put it up to the 20 right there. If it breaks that 9 EMA, then no can do. It does not have enough strength to keep going up. And that's where I'll probably end my trading day right there. So it goes to show today's lesson, my winning streak has finally ended. If this rejects on my ass. But I'm pretty sure it is because we have price coming down a bit and it's looks like it's not respecting that 9 EMA. It hasn't broke it yet. But we'll see. But today's lesson will be, it's breaking it out. Today's lesson will be take the money at Super Trend. I was up on Super Trend, could have collect majority of my loss, but I didn't take it because I was targeting the daily high so I can end up green. But sometimes it's just better to end up a little bit red than more red. So I don't know, we'll see. It still hasn't hit my stop loss, but I'm predicting that it will because it's not holding on that 9 EMA. It's really not holding at all. Okay. This thing's just toying with me, dude. Damn. There you go. Stopped out. That's all. That's today's trading day. That's today's trading day. No matter. So let me come back to the 5 minute. We got rejected off the super trend on the 5 minute. Huge price reaction. It's coming down to the 90 EMA on the 5 minute. On the 2 minute, it hit that 20 EMA. We have a nice reaction there. Dude, if this shit hits my stop loss and goes back up, I'm gonna be so mad. Yeah, fuck it. I'm done. I'm done. 2 losses on the day. Think I'm gonna end it right there. All right, well, thanks for joining. Looks like the winning streak has finally ended, but I mean, that's fucking fine, dude. That's fucking fine, bro. I mean, I've been winning so much. Eventually, I have to lose. Eventually, I have to lose. Let me take a look at M2K. M2K ended up coming down around the price target, but I would need to have hold all the way up here. YM, that 5 minute is convincing me that we're still coming on up because we're still very green on the 5. Maybe if I would have had a little bit of a bigger stop, it could have done it. We're rejecting off of that 20 EMA, and we're still very strong, bro. Dog, I might get back into this shit because the 5 minute and the 2 minute, it's still saying that it's very strong, bro. It's still saying that, bro. And I might put my stop loss at this low right there. Dude, the setup is right there, bro. I'm gonna fucking take that shit, dog. The setup is right there. And we're gonna put my stop loss at that low. 2 minute is still green. 5 minute is green again. 2 minute EMA is coming up. I mean, MACD's coming up and RSI coming up. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe we can target super trend again. My setup is still there, so could be wrong. I could be wrong. That's why my stop loss is so fucking tight. This would be a third trade, so that's why I have it really tight. But the 5 minute is still green, and 2 minutes still green. This can be just a complete fake out and just fuck me up. Fake out, shoot or shoot. All right, I'm out of here, bro. I'm done for today's trading day. So that's fine. Looks like price action should have took profit at super trend. So that was today's lesson. Today's lesson was take profit at super trend always, always. But since because I wanted to end up the day green, I didn't. So that is probably all of it. All right, I'm out of here, guys. See you guys tomorrow. I think I have to change my tires and I have to do an alignment. Hopefully, I have enough time to come back. I don't know yet. We'll see. Peace out.